Good day, Pinoy Clicksers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. For this video, we're going to look at a very expensive fish and a very expendable goon. Let's go! Okay, so we are looking at two related DC figures. On my left, we have the DC Heroclix Joker Fish, and this contains one pre-painted collectible miniature game piece. It's a fish out of water, and we have a character Joker's goon. And you can see he's carrying a fish. Okay, so let's start off with the fish, okay, because the thumbnail says so. This one I won as part of participating in the CCO Manila. Okay. I actually have how many? Two of this, which is not so useful because because all equipments are unique. So I need one and only one, but I have two, and that's fine. Okay. Huh? Probably oops. Probably going to have it as pricing. And I was surprised. So this fish, is it removable or I just accidentally ruined it? Okay. I'd like to think it's removable. Okay. It's better that way. Oops. It's better that way, I guess, but I might lose it if it's removable. So I'll probably just glue it, okay, and orient it the way I want. So it's a small fish, Jokerize. That's why it's called Joker Fish. Let's take a look at the card. DC24-002, Light Object, Indestructible Fish, and qualifying names or keywords are Harley Quinn, the Joker, and Joker Good. So if you're part of the Joker family, you can equip this fish for free. And the effect is Poison. Opposing characters within 4 squares that have Dolphin have standard movement instead. Okay, so that means if the character that's equipped this with this Joker fish goes closer to a dolphin figure, then he basically loses the dolphin. So you can now range attack that particular character, and only for 5 points. Okay, which is good because sometimes you're thinking, what can I use my last 5 points on? Okay, and 5 points poison is not too bad actually. It's actually good. I like poison theme to some extent. Okay, so that's the Joker fish, but let's take a look at the expendable goon. Okay, that has one of the qualifying keywords to equip the Joker fish, and he is, ta-da! He is Joker Goon. Okay, I actually got this from Oxit Auction. Okay, let's pop him out, and you can see he's carrying a fish, but the fish is, I don't know if it's bigger. It seems bigger to some extent. The sculpt is different. Okay, okay, so you can see the Joker Goon there. Okay, let's zoom in a little. Joker Goon has the Arkham Asylum, Gotham City Underworld, and Brute keywords. Okay, so he has the team player of the Underworld, a team ability Underworld. Okay, and he already got Poison. You got it, boss. Is the special attack power Poison. When Joker Goon uses it, if he was carried by a character with Underworld team ability, he still deals damage. Okay, so that particular power is actually good, but it's just unfortunate that it doesn't work well with the Joker fish because he already has poison. Okay, interesting. So you might want to use two of these Joker goons so that they can carry each other. Okay, and therefore still do poison even after being carried. Okay, he has 3 range: vanilla, movement, power, special attack power throughout the dial, toughness, and empower throughout the dial as well, only for 25 points. You can equip this for 5 points, or meaning for free, because he has a qualifying keyword. Okay, so just to get a discount on that 25 points. Real name is Varius. Batman Adventure 16 is the significant appearance. So, yeah. What do you guys think? Share your thoughts in the comments. Bye!